Okay, this is the first question right here. Alright? Okay, you already know it because you have it on paper. Okay, Ben went deep diving with some friends. If he descends at a rate of 6, which means that's a negative 6, and per minute with integers represents his depth in a half an hour. And half an hour means 30 minutes, so it's going to be times 30. Now, that would equal negative 180 feet.
Oh my god.
Okay, the second question, right? Okay, Jonathan is keeping track of how much money he earned and spent last week. He bought a cup of soup for $6, which is negative 6 right there. Okay, and he earned $13 for cleaning his room, which is positive 13 for cleaning his room. He spent $8 to go see a movie, which is negative 8, and see a movie with a friend. He acquired $9 for getting an A in math, which is positive 9. For getting it, he finally he found $3 in the restroom. How much did he have left at the end of the week? Since he found $3 in the restroom, that would be a gain, so that would be positive 3. So what you want to do is first, I would first add the positive first. So, okay, so 13 plus 9. Okay, so 9 plus 3 equals 12. Okay, so whoops. Okay. Okay, so 12. So 2 right here and 1 right there, which would be 22. And then don't forget the 3. So 22 plus 3 would equal 25 right there. Okay, remember 25. Okay, since we had those negative, which was negative 6 and negative 8, right? Remember 25, put right there. Okay, so we gotta add these, which is 6 plus 8 would equal 14. No, wait, no. It would equal 15.
Anyway, back to what I was saying. Second one is...
No, it's 14. No. Dang it. Okay, there's 14. Alright. Since we got 14, yeah, 14. We got minus 25 and 14. So, okay. So 25 minus... Okay, 25 minus 14.
Hi, I'm Nyasha.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, 4 minus 5 would equal okay. Yeah, okay. 1 and 1 minus 2 is 1, which would equal 11. Right there. Yep, that's the second question.
Hi, I'm Nyasha. Today we're going to talk about 4
Okay, third question. This one. Okay, so what I did, I drew a thermometer
about
Okay.
30 minutes.
Okay, so it says if the temperature in the North Pole is negative 20 degrees and it drops under 12 degrees, what would the temperature be? So that would be okay. So let's say this is 20, right? Okay, and it says drops another 12 degrees. So that would 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Alright, so that's 12. So that would be negative 32 degrees. So boom, that's the answer.
Awesome problems. The first one is
Okay. Okay, now the fourth question. Okay. Okay. A pool will be trained at a constant rate of 51.2 liters per hour. Starting at 8 a.m. after 1 hour, the change of amount of water in the tank can be represented as 51.2. Which of the following represents the total change of the amount of water in the tank by 8 a.m. the next day? Okay. Alright. Okay, so since the pool will train at 51.2 and at 8 a.m. after 1 hour, the change in the amount of water in the tank can be represented as 51.2. Which of the following represents the total change in the amount of water in the tank by 8 a.m. the next day? Which would be 24 hours, so that would be times 24. Alright. So, okay,
because it's asking us how many feet.
let me figure this out.
And I already get this time, so it's obvious.